Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick tutorial, you are gonna see how you can add a timer or countdown on your Instagram story. We all might have seen in some celebrities stories that they use countdown to publish or announce anything. So we are gonna just do it on our story too. Heading over to our Instagram application. Once in there, make sure you have logged in into your designer account and then head over to your story and then select a picture to give on the background. So let's say I'm gonna select this picture in here. So you have to head over to the let's say the sticker in here, and here you'll find the countdown sticker just beside hashtag. So tap on countdown and here select date and time. Like I'm gonna select here and here and the day, the time in here. It's now 4:28. I'm gonna set it up for a minute. Let's say 30 p.m. Now off. I just mistakenly just turned it off, giving it to PM. And here goes. And once you are done, give your countdown a name like and tap on done. As you can see, the countdown has already been started. You can place it anywhere you want and then you have to just share your story. So yeah, this is how easily you can add timer or countdown on your Instagram story. Hope this video will help you out. If you got any questions regarding this, make sure to comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.